Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy you're here today. In this video, we're going to paint a calm winter night scene on a black canvas. A peaceful, snowy forest with a glowing Christmas tree reflected softly in a quiet lake. I begin by using a sponge to apply a soft blend of blue, black, and a touch of white to the upper part of the canvas, creating the night sky. Then, by adding more blue and black, I gradually darken the color and bring it down to the middle of the canvas to form the deep background of the forest. With a small brush, I start shaping the tops of distant trees emerging from the forest. I gently add a little white to suggest a thin, misty layer of snow resting on the branches, keeping everything soft and muted. Using the same color palette, I switch to a large flat brush and paint the lake at the bottom of the canvas, allowing the dark tones to reflect the quiet night atmosphere. I paint the snowy ground beneath the trees and extend it slightly toward the lake. I keep the snow tones subtle and not too bright, so the scene maintains its nighttime mood. With darker tones, I move on to the closer trees and branches, making them slightly larger and clearer. Here and there, I place touches of snow on the branches to add realism and depth. I paint the tree trunks and continue shaping the trees on the other side of the canvas. By adding highlights on the snow, I suggest the gentle unevenness of the ground. Then I move on to the reflections in the water, soft, blurred reflections of the snow and trees that mirror the calm surface of the lake. Now comes the element that brings a warm Christmas feeling into the painting, a small Christmas tree glowing with lights. I start with orange tones to place the lights, and once this layer is dry, I add brighter colors on top to keep their glow alive and vibrant. I also add soft highlights to the surrounding snow and nearby trees, so the warm light feels naturally spread across the scene. In the foreground, I paint detailed branches of a nearby tree using darker colors and sharper details. This helps push the background farther away and increases the sense of depth. I continue layering the lights on the Christmas tree, finishing with tiny white dots to create sparkling highlights. Finally, I add snow to the foreground branches, starting with darker tones underneath and finishing with pure white on the top edges to show volume and texture. I really hope you enjoyed this peaceful winter painting. Please let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, and feel free to share your thoughts about this artwork. Don't forget to like the video and share it with anyone who loves painting and art. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next painting.